They say, "What is real peace?" Once, when I was returning to Pakistan from Saudi Arabia, about 25 police officers came there to meet me. Among them were 2 IGs, 3 DIGs, and the rest were officers of captain rank. They sent a message to the Darul Uloom that they wanted to meet me because they knew that I was coming there. It was the month of Ramadan. I said, "Okay, let's have the meeting." We gathered in a room of the mosque. There were about 25 officers. Some sat above and the rest below. There was 1 hour left until iftar. They said that we have some questions. I said, "Questions later. First, I want to ask you something." I asked them. Among the biggest entertainers in the world, one is Robin Williams, of whom I myself was also a fan in childhood. Why did he commit suicide in depression? They said, "We know, but we don't know the reason." Then I said, America's famous singer Prince, who had wealth, fame, private jets, every suvida, boys and girls were all crazy about him. Why did he commit suicide? They again said the same. We don't know. Then I said, the world's great singer and actress, Whitney Houston, why did she die because of drugs? For about 20 minutes, I kept asking such questions, and every time the answer was the same. We don't know. Then I said, when I was young, I also had 2 dreams, that I become famous and that I get a lot of money. Allah gave me all this to some extent, but despite this, the restlessness inside me did not end. Maybe we don't have all the answers, but sometimes just asking the right questions changes everything. If this spoke to you, pass it on and stay with us for more.